Is technical Guruji fake? Are we all fake? Well, I'm just going to answer that. Yes, in some point. Well, it's not about always the monetary gain or just the market value, but sometimes people do like to fake some videos cause of some other values that they need to explain. Well, if you don't already know, there is a video going on by Technical Guruji which was intended to be a Redmi Note 7 unboxing, but now it's been also picked up by massive news outlets that it's probably fake. Well, the actual article pissed me off that it says an Indian YouTube channel. Guys, he is not freaking Indian. He lives in Dubai. He is completely from Dubai. Just because he speaks Hindi and puts an Indian flag on his table doesn't mean he is Indian. Like, I definitely know that's not the procedure of making Aadhaar card. For Aadhaar card, you have to live in India. Yes, most of the time he is in India, but just by speaking Hindi or keeping the Indian flag on your table doesn't mean you are Hindi or Indian. But that's just another point. But yeah, people in India are delusional. Yeah, it's actually sad to know that people actually believe people who speak their language, such as for example, technical Guruji speaks Hindi. Indirectly, he becomes our brother, and everyone just starts just believing him. We don't know whether he is getting paid for every other review, whether he is getting extra pieces for giveaway or mobiles early. We don't know. But indirectly, if he speaks Hindi, we must trust him. Yeah, that's how the mentality of Indians work. If a C4 tech imports a phone and if he makes a video in English, spends his own money out of his pocket to import the phone over here in India, no one cares. But if anyone makes a video in Hindi, it indirectly becomes a truth and a supported fact. Yeah. So the video is unboxing of Redmi Note 7. He unboxes the phone and out of nowhere this bend test comes around. Now bend tests are not a new thing. There are channels dedicated to it, Jerry Rig thing, then Tech Racks, many channels that actually destroy technology and phones just for destroying sake. Like bend test is actually not a valid term of a phone checking. It's not like an IP68 water testing. Yes, although Samsung actually says their phones are water resistant, I have like 4 Samsung waterproof phones. I have never dipped it into the water because that's not actually of use of phone. Yeah, bend tests are actually concluded to check the durability of the phone, but durability doesn't include bending from a volume rocker point. Yes, if you see the video, he actually bends the phone from power button. That just doesn't make a sense. Yeah, I even have a Redmi Note 5 Pro which is actually bent. I just kept it in my bag and it had like couple of clothes and it just bent it from the antenna line. Well, there is no antenna there. They have just adapted the Apple design, but yeah, the phone actually bended. So yeah, phones do actually bend, but the amount of pressure that has been applied to the phone is just out of this world. No one bends the phone like that. I seriously don't know why that was necessary. Yeah, generic everything will probably do that, but bending a phone back and forth, like that's not a real word use. Now the fact comes in, has been paid to show that, and the durability test is probably just bullshit cause no one just bends the phones like that. Then who the hell paid him? Well, by the investigation of you guys, it's probably Samsung because Samsung has to push the unibody agenda that they actually been shipping with the M series. Yes, M series do come with a unibody and they don't have the buttons at that alignment. The buttons are actually a bit in the middle, so the phone doesn't bend directly. Yeah, that's actually a valid point. Even on my Note 9, this is a Note 6 Pro, it will probably bend because the volume buttons are far too wide over here on the top. So if you hold on the camera point, it will probably bend. If you just probably did that with his Note 9, thing would just exploded. Yeah. But Xiaomi has finally made a budget phone which is their first Redmi phone to come with a glass body, and yes, it's not as durable as these metal phones that actually they made, that this the last one Note 6 Pro, but that doesn't mean you should bend the phone like that. And the point that probably getting a paid from a company is valid in terms of advertising in today's day and age. Yes, you guys shouldn't actually just trust anyone on this thing. If someone makes a review, just go through 4 to 5 reviews before just testing it, because I can actually remember even when he met the Samsung CEO of India and made this review of Galaxy M, probably they were just actually unveiling the Galaxy M at that point, but the video was just a massive clickbait.
और अगर सैमसंग की डिस्प्ले की बात करते हैं तो इंडस्ट्री में दी बेस्ट ऑफ कोर्स तो इसमें आपने नया क्या किया है.
But the whole of comments was everyone in Hindi actually. Xiaomi तो गया, Xiaomi का तो market ही गया, Xiaomi is out of the business. Why? Can't everyone just live together? I don't know why the mentality of the Indians is like they just don't want anyone to succeed. Xiaomi has a great market in India and probably no other company actually just provides that kind of specs at that point, but people just don't want to see that. I don't know why, what's wrong with people. M series has now been launched and everyone knows it's not that great of a phone. The Exynos processor actually benchmarks higher than the Snapdragon 636, but it's not that optimized. It doesn't run smooth as a Redmi Note 5 Pro 2. Like, what's the point? But people just hyping up the shit out of it is just over my head. Even Techstar Shahrukh, yeah, I'm not afraid to take any names, made 4 to 5 videos on it, and just he went on a damage control system. Dude just likes every single comment, and yeah, everyone who hates him now just says, oh my god, 200k subscriber YouTuber just liked my comment. The hate is all gone. No, definitely I'm not going to do that. If you just go to the comments below and say, yeah, you are jealous, yeah, tu bhi big gaya hai, even though I make ROM reviews which are free, I don't give a fuck. Yeah, no one cares. Cause reviews in today's day and age are done for monetary gains. YouTube is just messed up right now. We are almost making no money on YouTube right now. Phone Rata did make a video that he made like 3.2 crores, but that's definitely not from YouTube. He runs like 5 different websites which actually make money for him. But then again, Technical Guruji is not a broke guy. Yes, he started like he showed he's poor like any other YouTuber. That guy owns a car rental business. He has many more business in Dubai. He doesn't need more money. But still, what's the monetary gain over here? Well, it's not for cash. Sometimes these gains are for getting more pieces for giveaway. Again, as I told you before, getting an early phone which makes you put out the video before than others, which actually means cash more, but also getting exclusive interviews. Now these interviews are nothing, they don't even get views, but they do actually increase the market value of the YouTuber or any kind of influencer that you're referring to. Cause indirectly, no, even other companies have to approach him in order to push their agenda, like their newer processor, their newer camera, the 14 megapixel sensor that the Samsung just made. But yeah, in short words, I just wanted to say that don't trust anyone on YouTube, don't trust anyone based on reviews. If you want reviews, go on Flipkart, go on Amazon, search there. It would be the most honest reviews that you will get on whole of the internet. Just don't trust any kind of influencer on YouTube, not even me. If I make a review in future, even don't trust me. Like please guys, don't be delusional fucks and don't just believe anyone just because he speaks in your language. Or just he does bunch of giveaways. Maybe I don't trust in giveaways. It's just not a fair point for me. And yeah guys, I actually just wanted to address that this thing even happened with me. Many of you guys actually called me fake cause I made that Redmi Note 5 Pro 9 update video. That video was actually a screen record of a Mi Max 3 just changed with a build prop, and you guys probably think that was true. Like I seen many videos even got like 100k views on that thing, which is just crazy that you guys just think anything is real just because it's made in your native language. Like I just don't get that point. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to get this clear. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.